The year is 2025. Artificial intelligence, or AI, is rapidly evolving, infiltrating every aspect of our lives. From self-driving cars to personalized recommendations, AI's presence is undeniable. This rapid advancement, however, often brings with it a sense of unease. Could AI become too intelligent? Could it spiral out of control, surpassing human intelligence and taking over the world as we know it? Hollywood blockbusters have long captivated our imaginations with dystopian visions of AI turning against its creators. While these scenarios make for thrilling cinema, the reality of AI is far more nuanced. To truly understand the potential of AI, both its promises and its perils, we must first delve into what AI truly is and how it operates. Only then can we begin to address the very real concerns surrounding this transformative technology and engage in a meaningful discussion about its role in shaping our collective future. Artificial intelligence, at its core, refers to the ability of computer systems to perform tasks that typically require human intelligence. These tasks encompass a broad spectrum, including learning, problem-solving, decision-making, and even understanding and responding to human language. However, it's crucial to distinguish between the different types of AI that exist. Narrow AI, also known as weak AI, is designed to excel at specific tasks. Think of the facial recognition software on your smartphone or the algorithms that power your personalized music recommendations. These systems are highly specialized and operate within predefined boundaries. General AI, on the other hand, remains largely theoretical. It represents the concept of an AI system with human-like cognitive abilities, capable of understanding, learning, and applying knowledge across a wide range of tasks. While the prospect of general AI may still be decades away, narrow AI has already become deeply intertwined with our daily lives. We interact with it constantly, often without even realizing it. Consider the spam filters that keep unwanted emails at bay, or the GPS navigation systems that guide us through unfamiliar streets. Online shopping platforms utilize AI algorithms to recommend products tailored to our preferences, while streaming services suggest movies and shows based on our viewing history. These are just a few examples of how narrow AI has seamlessly integrated into our routines, enhancing convenience and efficiency in countless ways. As AI technology continues to evolve at an unprecedented pace, we can expect even more innovative and impactful applications to emerge in the years to come. At the heart of AI's remarkable capabilities lies machine learning, a powerful approach that enables computers to learn from data without explicit programming. Imagine teaching a dog a new trick. You wouldn't write a detailed set of instructions for the dog's brain. Instead, you would use positive reinforcement, rewarding the dog for performing the desired behavior. Machine learning operates in a similar fashion. Instead of programming specific rules for every scenario, algorithms are trained on vast data sets. Through this training process, they identify patterns, make predictions, and improve their performance over time. Deep learning, a subset of machine learning, takes this concept a step further by utilizing artificial neural networks inspired by the structure of the human brain. These networks consist of interconnected nodes or artificial neurons that process and transmit information. Deep learning has been particularly successful in areas such as image and speech recognition. The transformative potential of AI extends far beyond our smartphones and computers. It's revolutionizing entire industries, from healthcare and finance to transportation and manufacturing. In healthcare, AI is being used to develop new diagnostic tools, personalized treatment plans, and even assist in complex surgical procedures. Financial institutions are leveraging AI to detect fraud, manage risk, and provide personalized financial advice. Self-driving cars, powered by sophisticated AI algorithms, are poised to revolutionize transportation, making roads safer and more efficient. In manufacturing, AI-powered robots are automating tasks, increasing productivity, and creating new possibilities for innovation. As AI continues to advance, its impact on our lives will only become more profound. Section 6. The AI Dilemma: Navigating the Potential Pitfalls. While the potential benefits of AI are undeniable, it's crucial to acknowledge and address the potential risks associated with this powerful technology. One significant concern is the issue of bias in AI systems. Since AI algorithms are trained on data, they can inherit and amplify existing biases present in that data. For example, if a facial recognition system is trained primarily on images of light-skinned individuals, it may perform poorly when identifying individuals with darker skin tones. This bias can have serious consequences, particularly in areas such as law enforcement and criminal justice. Another concern is the potential for job displacement due to automation. As AI systems become more sophisticated, they are increasingly capable of performing tasks previously done by humans. This shift could lead to significant job losses in certain sectors. Section 7. Superintelligence, science fiction, or looming reality. Perhaps the most profound and hotly debated question surrounding AI is whether it has the potential to surpass human intelligence, leading to the emergence of superintelligence. Superintelligence, as the name suggests, refers to an AI system with cognitive abilities far exceeding those of even the most intelligent humans. The potential implications of such an event are vast and largely unknown. Some experts believe that superintelligence could usher in an era of unprecedented prosperity and technological advancement, while others warn of the potential risks associated with creating an intelligence that could ultimately surpass our control. The debate surrounding superintelligence is complex and multifaceted, with no easy answers. It's a topic that demands careful consideration and ongoing dialogue as AI continues to evolve. Section 8. Shaping the Future AI and the Importance of Ethical Development. As we stand on the cusp of this AI revolution, it's imperative that we prioritize the ethical development and deployment of this transformative technology. We must ensure that AI is developed and used responsibly, with a focus on maximizing its benefits for humanity while mitigating potential risks. This requires a multifaceted approach, involving collaboration between policymakers, researchers, industry leaders, and the public. We need to establish clear ethical guidelines for AI development, promote transparency and accountability in AI systems, and address the societal implications of AI, such as bias and job displacement. By embracing a human-centered approach to AI, we can harness its power to create a more just, equitable, and prosperous future for all. Section 9. A future powered by AI, embracing the potential while mitigating the risks. The rise of AI is inevitable. It's a technology that holds immense promise for solving some of the world's most pressing challenges, from combating climate change to curing diseases. However, it also presents us with profound ethical and societal questions that we must address proactively. As we venture further into the age of AI, it's essential to remember that we are not passive bystanders in this technological revolution. We have the power and responsibility to shape the trajectory of AI development and ensure that it aligns with our values and aspirations. By fostering a spirit of collaboration, innovation, and ethical awareness, we can create a future where AI empowers humanity, enhances our lives, and helps us build a better world for generations to come. So let's stay curious. Let's ask hard questions. Let's demand responsibility from the people building these tools. Because smart tech needs even smarter people. If this got you thinking, hit like, subscribe, and tap the bell. There's more curiosity where that came from. Only here, on Curious Click.